So we're still working with addition in math. We've been practicing so many different strategies, and you're really becoming experts in these different ways of doing addition. We've practiced use a picture where you can draw a quick, simple picture to help you solve something. Use counters. You can use your cubes, your gems, your bears, pennies, anything you have. Use counters. And then we've practiced use your fingers. And you always have your fingers with you. If the numbers work out, you can use your fingers. They're always there, easy to use. So those are different strategies you can use. Today, you're going to do hot chocolate math, which is super fun. And you're going to use any of these strategies that you like to solve your problems. So you'll have a paper that looks like this with the hot chocolate, the mugs with hot chocolate, and there's addition problems on the mugs. And then you have marshmallows, because marshmallows are delicious in hot chocolate. And these are the answers. And we call the answer in addition, we call it the sum. So these are the sums to these problems. So your first step today is to cut these out. And there's just an extra marshmallow. You can do whatever you want with that one. So just start out. Remember how I always say this. Just cut around the outside first. The longer the line you can cut at once, the easier that'll make your cutting. So cut around the outside and then cut down the middle here. And then you're going to just snip in between each of your marshmallows. Okay, so just snip in between them. And when you cut them out, when you finish, you're going to want to arrange them so you can see all the numbers, okay? Okay, so I've got mine cut out, but then you can see I'm setting them down here on my little ledge. I'm going to spread them out so I can see them all. Okay, so that's step one. Okay, now you're going to pick one of these and you're going to do the addition to solve it, and then you'll find the marshmallow that has the sum, or the answer that has the sum on it, and you'll glue that onto that hot chocolate mug. So let's start. Well, I don't want to give you the answer, but let's pretend that this one said 6 plus 4. It says 8 plus 4, but let's pretend it was 6 plus 4, okay? Because I don't want to give away an answer for you. All right, let's pretend that there is a mug. I'll make my own mug up here. How about? There we go. There's a mug. Let's pretend it says 6 plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to figure out a way to solve that one. I can do 6 and 4 on my fingers. I can do a picture. I can do a combination of those. Maybe I'll try a combination here. I can do 6 pretty easily with a picture. There's 6. And then if I want to do a combination, I can put up 4 fingers. It's harder for me to put up 6 fingers and 4 fingers, but if I do 6 and then 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 6 plus 4 is 10. So I'll take my marshmallow that has a 10 on it, and I'm going to glue it onto this mug. But I won't really glue it. I'll just use my magnet. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Figure out whichever way you want to solve these. Now, I'm going to show you a trick that you can do. If you want to solve a number that you don't really have enough fingers for, okay, but you want to use your fingers, this is something you can do. Let me just get my eraser here. So here's what you can do. So this is called counting on. This is a neat trick to do. So any of these, you can take this, like say we're going to do, well, let me just write one because I don't want to give you the answer again. I keep thinking I'm going to do those, but I don't want to give you the answer. Let's do the one we just did. Let's do 6 plus 4. Okay? So 6 plus 4. Which one of these numbers is bigger? 6. Okay, put 6 in your head. 6 is stuck in my head. 6. I have to put up this many fingers. Okay, now we're gonna, 6 is already there, so we're gonna hop to the next number. You have to be able to start counting at 6. So you say, 6 is in your head, 6. What comes next? 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you start with the next number on your fingers. Let's try, so that was 6 plus 4, and we got 10. Let's try and do 8 plus 4. Okay, so put 8 in your head. 8 stays in your head. What comes after 8? 9, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let me give you another one to try. These are tricky. So if you don't want to tackle, if you don't want to give this a try, that's okay. You don't have to. But if you're ready for this, then it's another strategy you can use. Let's do 9 plus 5. Okay, so put 9 in your head. You have to put up how many fingers? 9. And then go ahead. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So start with 9 is in your head. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so you have to put one number in your head and then you start counting on. You count from that number. So something you could practice if you don't quite want to do this strategy, you could start, just practice counting like, okay, what if I start at 3 and I start counting? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, what if I start counting at 5? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can just practice counting from a number. But this is a strategy, just if you're feeling ready for this, give it a go. If not, don't worry about it, okay? You can use pictures, you can use counters, you can use fingers, however you want to solve these is great. Okay, so remember, cut out your marshmallows, line them up or arrange them so you can see them all, and then solve the problems and glue the marshmallows to the cups. All right, have fun.